This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here in Jackson, Georgia again. Today's truck is a used, barely used, 2024 Kenworth T880 dump truck. We have 5 of these units available, and they range between 39 and 61,000 miles. Still have factory remaining warranty left on them. 20,000 pound steer axles with 44,000 pound rears. 315 80/22/5 steer tires. 11R 24/5 drives. It's a Georgia spec truck. 16-foot insulated dump bed. .433 rear gears with locking diffs. 255-inch wheelbase. Electric tarp. Stainless visor, chrome mirrors. Let's take a look under the hood. We have our 455 horsepower Paccar MX13, or MX13, sorry. And the Allison 4500 series transmission. Let's take a look inside. Power windows and locks. Cloth air ride seat on the driver's side. Stationary seat passenger side. Bed controls. Backup camera. Cobra 29 CB radio. Like I said, we have 5 of these available. We have some all white ones. We have a few that are white with red fenders. So if you could use one of these trucks, give me a call, 706-372-4698. If you need one or you need 5, let's make a deal.